What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. So my bias has not changed. I am still 100% short on dollar, long on euro. Yes, it might be looking kind of crazy. I could look like a nut, but I know this is going to pay. I just need to be patient. And especially with what went on this week, actually cemented my position even further. And I know I'm always early, but it's coming. Trust me. Well, don't trust me. I'm not profitable yet. But the dollar was flying up this week. I mean, flying up. But guess what else was? Tesla, NEO, Bitcoin. What? Actually, let's go look at it real quick. What did Tesla do this week? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart on Tesla. Look at this. We have higher low and swing break. Yes! That's a good sign. NEO's been kicking ass, man. I'm glad I bought this. I remember back here, and I was like, 11 bucks is too good to be true for NEO. So as soon as it pushed up, retraced, I got in right there. And I was willing to hold it, even if it went lower. That was a good price to me. Very good price. And these wicks off of these candles were telling me that this was about to turn. And it did. So I have been able to call some things, but it's just like I'm always early, or I'm not in the trade long enough, or I get stopped out, or I get shaken out. Copper, I definitely called this. In one of my copper videos, it's starting to plummet. But yeah, now it's time to stack. I'm not selling copper now. Especially if it's at 350 something, that means the scrapyard is going to give you $2.50 something cents. So there, because when price was at 4 something, we were getting 350. Now that it's at 350, you're probably going to get 2 something. So once this comes down to like $2, you're going to get like $1 something for copper. Hell no. I'm going to hold it, because this thing comes down, you know, kind of hits the bottom of this trend line and then goes $5, $6, $7. Hell yeah. I'm going to continue to stack copper. Every time I get it, stack it up. Now, I have taken a little bit of a beating on ANET, but I think that'll roll back up soon. And I'm not sure if I'm in GLDG or not. I should go back. I believe I am. I believe I am in GLDG, and I got in somewhere here. Oh my god. This is about to rocket. I think gold is about to fly. I mean, we completed this move now. Yeah. I'm gonna hold this GLDG position. And it might be worth looking into these guys as well. Blue Lagoon and Star Peak Mining Limited. These things could take off as well. These are pretty cheap. I might actually put some more of my... I need to get more money in the retirement portfolio and start stuffing some stuff into some stuff, because now's the time. But anyways, in the foreign exchange front, Aussie, New Zealand, I saw the 382 pin bar reversal candle, and the same with USDJPY. But I think context, and this is what I feared with this, the way it looked on the chart, because I like to see price like kind of come up strong, and then immediately hit an area of resistance and create like a 382 pin bar candle right away. And then start to shoot down. But this kind of like came up, made this candle, then a 382 pin bar, and it's just kind of like moving sideways. It's kind of stuck in that little area. So I think context on top of that 382 matters. But again, it was just I see a 382, I trade it and let the probabilities do its thing, but I don't know. I'm only 54 bucks in the negative here, and yeah, if this thing kind of wicks down or something, I might just set my take profit right there in case it happens when I'm not looking. You know, we'll go with right there. If that thing comes down, it'll take me out 30 bucks. Yeah, just free up the money. Because I'm going to try to focus on just 2 pairs. So, the dollar, and I remember calling this a long time ago, too. You know, back when price was down here. And, you know, me and a bunch of other conspiracy theorists were saying, like, oh, the charts look like potentially we could have a crash coming. And a possible recession. Right? Because the charts were saying so. We had a bullish move, straight bullish move, into a choppy pattern down, which is a bull flag, and then it did its thing. It launched up, like, and I didn't make a dime off of it because I don't know. I don't know, because I'm not that great at trading yet. But every time I see these things, I'm seeing things play out. You know, it's a great learning experience, and eventually this is going to be all worth it. But look where the dollar is, though, man. Like, we've got respect, 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 respect. Yes, we are at a level of resistance, and I do think a huge, huge move is coming to the downside. So my bias is short, and I think the dollar is going to come down, at least for now, to here, somewhere between the 96 and 94 levels, somewhere in this pocket somewhere. I think we're going to come down here, and then once we get here, then we can kind of figure out, well, Biden still has 2 years, so we're in 2022. Oh, look at that. I wonder this might be a little crazy, but Biden has 2 years, right? So 2024 is when we could potentially have a new president, correct? So if this thing kind of moved down, not super fast, just kind of, you know, worked its way all the way back down and touched this trend line, right? And now we're at 2024. Could this be the top? And this thing just goes? Or does this thing come down fast and try to shoot a little bit higher by the end of 2024? And then we come down long term. I'm thinking more than likely that's going to be the case. Because of everything that's going on, I think the volatility is going to be high, and I think we're going to have big moves. I think we're going to come down, test this, shoot up, possibly take this high out one more time, come up a little bit higher, and then long-term, big picture move down, as it's been doing for years. So I would love to be able to get in on something like that, and just, I mean, that's like 8 years. 8 years of money making. Straight up. Yeah, that's crazy. That would be great. But I'm going to focus on USDCAD and Euro USD. These are the two that I'm going to really put my focus on. But I definitely think there's a big, big move coming. So let's look at USDCAD first off. And look at this. This is like the complete opposite of the US dollar. We had first off, we had a double top. Then we had a huge, like straight, not jagged, straight move down. Took out this low. And now it is sloppy. And it's corrective. And it's moving up, bear flag, into a big level of resistance. I think a big move down is coming. And I'm going to be in this. I swear to God I'm going to be in this. They will not shake me out of this. So this position, I jumped in this. Once I saw the triple top, it started heading down. I was in. I was in. So I'm not sure if this will come down. Maybe this is the next biggest. So I went with these round, you know, these even numbers. Because I noticed I notice other traders do this as well, because this is where the institutions like to trade, around these even numbers. It just makes things easier. So, you know, and I just got the most important ones to me for now, for levels. So I think, you know, potentially we could come down, maybe take out these lows, find support here, push up, take out these highs, and then massive move down, massive move down. So I'm still not sure if I'm going to take profit there and then try to get back in above these highs, or just leave this and add another position above these highs. Because I don't want to take profit here and have it not make it back up and then just drop on me. So I think I'm going to just leave this position no matter what. I'm just going to leave it. This is a good spot. I'm in a really good spot. Now if the market could just start going down, that would be great. In Euro USD, I'm going to start getting in long here. Daily chart. We've got a 382 pin bar on Friday. Well, that's a good sign. So I'm not sure if, I would say at least we're coming up here. And then we'll have to see if it wants to come down and break these lows one more time and then out of here, or if this is just going straight up. But I am long, 100% long on euro, short on dollar, and that's the way I'm going to remain. Yeah, I can't see it. Just everything does not make sense right now. So I think eventually, I think this week things will start to make sense. But yeah, anyways, that's what I'm trading. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one. So this old bird wants to take our rights away. And just took a steaming dump on my desk. But we won't stand for it, will we, Nancy? No, no, no. Bad Nancy.